Today we are gonna have lots of fun, guys. Welcome back to Azam Vlogs. I hope you guys are doing great. First, we are gonna go to Qatar Bowling Center and discover that place, and then at night we will go to Doha Corniche because at night it's beautiful. So let's get started. So guys, this is the red road. Amazing lighting as you guys can see, and this place is beautiful only at night, so that's why we came at night over here. Finally I reached Qatar Bowling Center, and front of me is the Qatar Bowling Center. For me also it's first time, and of course I love bowling, so let's go inside and we'll do bowling together. So guys, right now I'm in Qatar Bowling Center and we have booked lane, and our time we got is 7:30 and right now it's 7, so we have to wait like half an hour till we get a chance to play. But front of me this Qatar national team bowling practice is going on, so watch that. Until then we just go and roam, and then I'll see you guys. So not only bowling, you guys can do many fun activities over here and play lots of games like snookers. There is pool over here. Behind me is the table tennis. So it's nice place. If you guys love games, do come over here, Qatar Bowling Center. It's really beautiful. So thumbs up for that, and now let's see what we're gonna do next. So guys, I got my shoes, and with the shoes they gave me socks also because I was not having my own socks. So let's go and change, and then I will see you guys. So guys, finally my turn has come, and we have booked 3 lines because we cannot play together. So all of my friends have booked their separate lane. So now what we want to compete is with the score. So I'll keep updating you guys who is gonna win. If you guys think that I'm gonna win, then do thumbs up. Let's go. Okay guys, the score is, mine is 21, my friend is 30, and my one more friend is 28. So like I lost. The reason I lost was because I did 4 time fouls. I got all 8, 8, 8, 8, but it was fouls, it's not counted. So basically I lost. So don't thumbs down. I'm vlogging for you guys, so at least support me. Please thumbs up, thumbs up. So guys, that's it in Qatar Bowling Center. It was not that fun for me actually. I expected more. I think Villaggio is better for bowling. So let's go now. I'll go in the car, and if we go Corniche, then I'll see you guys there. Or else wherever we go, I'll update you guys. Let's go. So guys, we were supposed to go Doha Corniche, but my friend was hungry, and even I was so hungry as we did bowling. So we came to Afghan Brothers and we ordered mandi, chicken grill, and also a few stuff. When it comes, I'm going to show you. Till then, enjoy the Afghan Brothers view. So guys, this is the starters. This is salad as always. This is some soup. Let me taste it first. This is chutney. If you guys love chutney, then please thumbs up, because Indians love chutney. And now let's see what comes next. Whatever it comes, I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, we got the Sheik Tauk. I don't know how to pronounce it. Whatever it is, French fry is good. Mashallah. Mandi, and this is also mandi. We got Pepsi, hummus, and chapati. So now we're gonna enjoy our meal, and after this, I will see you guys. Just finished my dinner from Afghan Brothers, which is at the back. Of course, the dinner was amazing. My favorite restaurant. And now the street I'm walking in is very famous for, you know, good restaurants and cafes. If you guys are coming to this street, you should come in evening or at night, because at night it's beautiful. So let's go and I will show you guys, you know, the view of this place. There is two Afghan Brothers. One is just, you know, front of me over there, and one is at the back. Both are nice, so you can come anyway. Right now I'm in Corniche, guys. It's around 10, and I especially came at night to show you guys the night view of Corniche. I mean, like, you can see these buildings next to me. At night it looks amazing, literally. I used to live in Doha back, you know, in 2008, and only one thing I loved in this place, that was Sheraton Hotel. That was my favorite. I always wanted to live over here, but I cannot, of course, it's expensive. But don't worry, one day inshallah we will live there. So not right now, you guys enjoy the night view of this place, and then I'll see you. That's it for my today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then like, and if you didn't like my vlog, then please let me know what I should be doing next in the comment section below. Tab tak ke liye, ma salama, take care, keep smiling, my lovely friends. See you in the next vlog.